I compared KiloCode and Cline, and honestly, they serve different types of developers, even though both are marketed as AI-powered coding assistants. KiloCode focuses heavily on automation. It can generate full project structures, create files, rewrite modules, and even simulate workflows with just a few prompts. It feels fast and aggressive, great for spinning up prototypes or refactoring large code bases quickly. But because it moves so fast, you sometimes get inconsistent output that requires manual cleanup. Cline, on the other hand, takes a more cautious, step-by-step approach. It's designed to act like a smart collaborator rather than an aggressive generator. It asks for confirmation before making changes, walks through reasoning, and tends to produce cleaner code. This makes it better for real, production-level tasks where accuracy matters more than speed. Another difference is transparency. Cline explains what it's doing and why, which helps you stay in control. KiloCode is more of a "give me your idea and I'll build it" tool. So which is better? If you want fast project scaffolding and rapid coding automation, KiloCode feels more powerful. But if you prefer reliability, safety, and clearer reasoning, especially for long-term projects, Cline is the smarter choice.